In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see, the property information. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, and it's required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. So